Hey guys, in this video I will show you the blueprint how to make your first 100k with Google Ads dropshipping. So if you want to make your first 100k with Shopify dropshipping using Google Ads, this is the only video you need. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial plan how you can achieve the first 100k. So as you guys can see here, in the last 30 days with one of my bigger stores, I made 163,000 euros in the last 30 days. You see a small downhill. Well, this means my Google Merchant Center has been blocked. We have fixed it. It is up and running, but now we just need to get it started again. But you see here, I have many stores in the last 30 days. We have generated with this one 118k. With this one, we have closely generated 100k. And with my smaller stores, I made 60k. And with the newest one, I made 32k in the last 30 days. And this one is very special because we just started this one in my community. And here you can see in the last 30 days, we have only spent 8k to generate 32k in revenue. So just to be transparent, I want to show you guys how much money you can make actually in your first month with Google Ads dropshipping, because this store is pretty new. So here you see in the month of June, you see all the revenue and also the refunds that we have already in the first month. Why? Because we are shipping products that are a little bit bulky and my private supplier could not ship them. But here you see the overall ROAS is pretty healthy. It's pretty good. It's still a little bit unstable. Well, we are just running this campaign for the first 22 days. And here you already see we made 8k in total profit in the last 23 days. As you guys can see here, in the last 23 days, we have generated 29k in revenue and made 8k in profit, which is a very healthy profit margin. So we even got 4.5k in returns. If you would even deduct that and just calculate them with the profit, we actually made way more profit. So I will give you a step-by-step plan how to even generate your first 100k a month with Google Ads dropshipping. And step number one is finding a niche that has high demand. What do I mean with that? With Facebook ads, you generate demand yourself. You generate a lot of traffic to the product that you're selling, but on Google Ads, you capture this demand. So you need to be selling in a niche that has already high search volume, and there is a lot of trending products in this niche. So people are already advertising it on Facebook and TikTok, and we capture this traffic with Google Ads. So in step number one, we are going to use Google Trends. So if you go to trends.google.com, you will find something like this. I'm in Portugal, so sorry that it is in a different language, but I will just go to the United States. And for example, we are going to do gardening. So you type in gardening, you will click on discover, and it will show you the trend. So what I do is here, I put it on United States, and we do in the last 5 years, because that's the data that we want to use. So in the past 5 years, you see this trend coming up. And here you see the funny thing is, well, back when the pandemic happened, a lot of people went gardening, and you see downwards again in December, and then the uptrend in May and June again. And you see all these trends repeating themselves, because this data tells us it's always in the trend in the May, June, July, and then it is downwards to December. So this is something I would not suggest if you start selling it right now. We're in the middle of June. We are already in the declining, so we don't use this one. We want a evergreen niche. So for example, one of the evergreens is one that I use a lot, and that is fashion. You will see a lot of search volume in the niche of fashion. You see the high search volume is always above 50. That's something that I always recommend. And you see this is all year round. You can sell products in the fashion niche. For example, the skincare niche is the same. You will do skincare, and you see here the evergreen niche as well. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. You need to have a high search volume, and you need to have something very stable. So if you put in your niche and you see something like this means you're into something, and that means we can go to step number two. And step number two is finding the winning products itself. So how do we find the winning products for Google Ads? Well, I use a second tool, and this is the Google Ads Keyword Planner. If you have a Google Ads account, you can go to Tools, Keyword Planner, and then we are going to click on Get Search Volume and Forecasts. So for example, if we use the skincare again, we will type in the skincare and get started. So here we are going to search for it, and what we do, of course, we are deleting the Netherlands and we do United States. So now I've put in United States, and here you see keyword skincare has already 100k to 1 million in monthly searches, which is amazing. Everything above 30k in monthly searches is enough. Here you see already the top CPC that you need to pay to be the number one is 5.27, which is pretty high, but the lowest is 1.29. And which is pretty healthy. But we want to get some keyword IDs, so I click on keyword IDs and I do the same thing again, skincare, and then I just click on get results. I want to switch the market again, so let's go to United States again, click save. Language, of course, needs to be English. So here you see already what people are searching in this niche. So this is the number one keyword that we provided, skincare. But here you already see people are searching for best eye cream, retinol cream, Tula skincare, the ordinary skincare, Korean skincare. But I just want to see what people are looking for. Best eye cream for dark circles. You already see we have a lot of search volume with eye cream, but also for best eye cream for dark circles. So this is something that I really want to remember. And let's see what we have. Here we already have best eye cream for wrinkles and best under eye cream. So a lot of people are already searching for eye creams, especially for wrinkles and dark circles. This is something that I really see on this data. So now we are going to find products that are in this niche and are matching these kind of keywords. So the second tool that I will use for this one is the Facebook ads library. Just type in Google Facebook ads library. When you have typed this in Google, you will find something like this. You see here the Facebook ads library. You can sort on all active and inactive ads on Facebook. Remember, here is where the demand really starts. People are starting to spend a lot on Facebook ads, generating a lot of traffic, and we want to capture this traffic. So what I do, I go to United States in the country, of course, we go to all ads, and then we put in eye cream. For example, we can search what people are already selling with the word eye cream. What we want to do, we want to hit filters, and then we want to do language English, of course, and active status. We want to put it on active ads. We only want to have active ads. And here, what I do, I always copy this date, and I will go to this date as well and just go 1 month back. So we have 23 of May. Now we have 1 month of data with active ads, and you see 3,700 results. People are running 3,700 ads in this particular keyword. So let me see if we find something. This is a little bit of time consuming. I will doom scroll a little bit and see if I can find something. It needs to catch my eye. For example, this one, I don't know already what this one is. Let me see. Learn more. Okay, this is an eye patch with Show Your Pride. Okay, this is funny. This is, by the way, a good product, the eye patches. This is already something that helps the dark circles under the eye. All right, after some scrolling, I saw this one, 15 ads using this creative and text. It's pretty awful, to be honest. I click on see summary. Let's see what they are selling. So I click on it, and here you see it's not the best website. So this is good. It's pretty cheap, and this is the retinol eye stick. And I believe indeed I saw some retinol already that people are searching for it. I believe in the ads planner, people were already searching for retinol, here, retinol cream. So this means people are already looking for it. And here we found a different product for it. If we have found one of them, we will put them in our winning product sheet. That's always what I want to do. So I have always this sheet open. If you guys want this sheet, just comment sheet and I will send it over to you. I will always put this one in here. So I will always have this one saved. So now we know this one is already selling and people are generating a lot of traffic. We need to find this product. So what do? We open AliExpress. So once you have opened AliExpress, we just need to find the product that we have found on Facebook. So I will put in a retinol cream, and you find a different kinds of products that people are already selling. So we can pick what kind of product that we want to do. Maybe we want to use this kind of packaging, or maybe we want to use the packaging that they already provided. It doesn't really matter. What I already did is I validated that a lot of people are searching for retinol cream. I just want to go for the best products that have the best product images. For example, this one, it has a lot of beautiful images already. So this one would be something that I would put in my list and make sure that I make a nice product page for. So let's see if I can find some different products. Here you see these are beautiful pictures as well. So this would be something that I would put on my store. Now I know that people are searching for it on Google, plus people are advertising it on Facebook. I will put 5 to 10 products in this keyword into my store and make a niche store around this type of niche of eye cream. So that was step number 2. And now we move into step number 3. Step number 3 is hire a VA so they can do the product listing for you, because we don't want to waste time into doing the product listing ourselves. We just need to find winning products, because that's the highest leverage you have as the owner of the company. You just need VAs that can go into your winning product sheet and just build out the product pages with the template you provide. So one of the platforms that I use is Upwork. If you go to upwork.com, shopify.com, you will find a dashboard like this. You will see I have some jobs open already. This means I have already a job open for someone that is specialized in UGC, content making, YouTube video editing, etc, etc. But what you can do here, you can hit on search, and what we're going to search is Shopify product lister. So now we will find a lot of people that are able to do the product listing from our winning product sheet. But first we want to screen if they are a good fit for the job. So what I do always, I put on top rated and top rated plus. Then I will go into the offers, and what I mean with this category, I will close them. Job success is fine, but then I want to go to earned amount. And earned amount, I want at least people that have generated 10K themselves. So these people have made a lot of money with their job on Upwork. And here you already see a lot of people that have a lot of experience and are not that expensive. For example, this one has already made 200K and only charges $7 per hour. And in this hour, she must have done at least 1 or 2 products from your sheet. So you only pay $3.50 per product. This one is $5 per hour and has already generated 30K. And this one is charging $10 per hour and closed around 100K in sales. So now we have already found amazing VAs, and you start messaging them. And what you want to ask them is if they can do 1 product for a sample. So you will always ask them, hey, I want to have a VA that worked with me full time making these product listings, but I just want to see how good you are. Can you make 1 product as a sample to see what you've got? Most of the time they will respond to you and they will tell you yes, for sure. And then you provide the information. All right, and step number 4, and this one is the last step. Now we have already found the niche, we have found already the product, we have it updated in our store, the product listing has been done. The step number 4 is applying for a Google Merchant Center and making your first Google Ads campaign. So you need to create a Google Merchant Center, which looks like this. As you guys can see, this is my Google Merchant Center. Here you already see how many products we have live. We have 70K in products live, but this is not all products. This means this kind of different SKUs. And with SKUs, I mean if you sell 1 product with, for example, 5 colors and 4 sizes and 3 bundles, it's already like 200 or 300 products that Google sees. If you want to apply for a Google Merchant Center, you need to find one app, and that is the Simprozess Google Shopping Feed. If you install this one on your store, it will push all the products to your Google Merchant Center and it will get approved or disapproved. Just wait 24 hours. If it gets active, this means your Google Merchant Center is approved and you can make your first Google Ads campaign. After you have made your Google Ads ad account, you just need to fill in your information and you will be in a dashboard like this, and you just need to click on new campaign, hit new campaign. And this is something really important. One of the strategies that we teach is the PMAX strategy. And what I mean with that is you need to click on create a campaign without goals guidance, and we want the Performance Max. The Performance Max campaign is the same as the CBO campaign in Facebook, which has the AI algorithm learning behind it. Then we just use the purchase, of course, with the website, which means that we only want to optimize for purchases. And here we click on the Merchant Center account. Once you have clicked your Google Merchant Center account, it will find all the products that are in your Google Merchant Center and it will start advertising all the products that are in that feed. In this step, you only want to set up the bidding, which is most of the time it's conversion value, but we start always with conversions, max conversions. And in the next steps, you just need to select your targeting country, maybe your genders, but we leave that all open. We only put in the correct language and the correct country. So that's all the steps that you need to take to launch your first Google Ads campaign. We always start the campaigns with a $30 to $40 budget. It will not spend this one from straight out of the get-go. It needs to learn, but this is something that I will explain in one of the next videos. So now you know all the 4 steps that you need to take to make your first Google Ads campaign, and you can start scaling to 100K a month with Google Ads. But if you're still unsure how to do stuff, or you want to make a more in-depth plan with myself, you can join our community inside the 90 Days to Online Freedom. I will teach you everything, and I even show you in the live recordings the store that we are starting to scale from scratch. Here you already see 7 weeks of content where we set up the Google Merchants, where we set up the Google Ads, where we even scale the Google Ads, and you will see everything. Even everything is transcript. You will see literally everything what I do. In the community, we have already made a lot of wins from people that just are starting out just like you guys, and people are making 10K in profit. People are getting their first sales. People are making their first 40K month. People are making their first 1K a day. We have a lot of wins already in this community, and we just started started this one out. And we are actually sharing all of it in the calendar. We are sharing it 3 times a week with the live calls you can attend. And if you're not able to attend, we will record them and you can watch them back. So guys, if you're interested in it, go into the link in the description. You will find the school about page. You will see the price that we are selling it right now for. Every 10 members, we increase the price. So guys, please hurry up and I will see you in the next one. Bye.